If you want to improve your Samsung device, keep watching this video. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you some tricks how to improve your CPU and your RAM. Let's start it. Before to start this tutorial, don't need any application. Just click on settings and then click on search button like that, and then write deep sleeping apps. Okay, deep sleeping apps. Click on and then select deep sleeping again. So as you can see, I have already some application in my list. So scroll on the screen, scroll up, you can see, click on add apps. You can select any application those you want to add on your list deep sleeping apps. For example, click done, add. Okay, as you can see, that's newest application in my list. So what's deep sleeping apps? Deep sleeping apps will never run in the background. They will only work when you open them.